Welcome to the future of Nissan. It is my pleasure to introduce a new concept vehicle that embodies our vision and commitment to Nissan Intelligent Mobility. This dynamic crossover with advanced autonomous drive capabilities represents the start of a new era for Nissan.
We want to show a more rugged and adventurous spirit to Nissan Intelligent Mobility. One that is more robust, one that is more protected, but is also more refined and connected. When the doors open, you can see how the balanced craftsmanship with technology. You can see how our customers' desire to be connected to their data opens the door to our own form of digital art. The center console symbolizes a wooden bridge connecting two cultures, but also bridging timeless traditions with tomorrow's technology. The mix of the human hand and technology, we went back to some traditional artisans of Japan, especially with working with pine, which is not a normal automotive material, and we incorporated that in that long center console. But within it, there's a kind of iPad-shaped controller that is fully technology. So we're mixing this element of authentic craftsmanship with advanced technology.
Even as Nissan moves to lead the technology revolution, there is one more thing that won't change. We will continue to make significant strategic investments in our US operations. These markets will fuel our growth and inspire some of the most advanced, most exciting products in Nissan's future. The new CarZilla concept offers a glimpse into this future.
This is an icon for us to be inspired by for all of our projects. I think the things that you should expect to see from CarZilla in production, and not necessarily in this car, but in other cars, is the DNA, this sense of simplicity, power, technology mixing with humanity. This is very much about Nissan Intelligent Mobility, and it is the new language of the brand.